All right, so we are back out here with the Harley Davidson edition Ford F-250 presented by Dave Sinclair Ford. We are out here at Doc's Harley Davidson. Got some beautiful Harley Davidsons out here to showcase this vehicle. As you can see, it's all logoed up with the Harley Davidson orange, Harley Davidson wheels. All cross-stitch Harley Davidson orange seats, completely recovered. In the front, you've got the logo on the door sill. You've got the logoed mats. Full Harley Davidson logoed seats with the cross stitch on the seats also. You've got your Harley Davidson emblem here, which annotates 2021 HD 0130. So this is number 130 produced for 2021. This has the full sky view roof on it. We'll go ahead and get that opened here in a minute once I turn the vehicle on. This vehicle starts out as a Super Lariat, as discussed before, so it has every upgrade that comes along with that. You've got your heated and cooled seats. You've got your heated and cooled seats, your Apple CarPlay, Ford Sync, everything that would come along with the standard Super Lariat. But then on top of that, they put all the Harley Davidson emblems, logos, upgraded suspension, wheels, upgraded interior, and really make this thing stand out from a crowd.